Tamang pahinga lang kami dito, guys. Diba? Ang clear. O, yan. Sobrang ano po yung tubig nila dito. Tingnan nyo naman yung tubig. Yeah. May paparating na ano. Ay, wow. How much that? Floating cottage. Floating cottage. Yeah, and there is also a video game sounds like that. If you want to dinner inside. Wow, it's nice. Where's the driver? No driver? Mabangga siya parang. Diba? Walang driver, no driver. Saan bang driver dyan, guys? Ay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, dumaan na ang ano, guys.
Yan lang yung sakay na.
Oo. May kukunin sila doon, susunduin. If you believe there's the highest mountain. Nice, oh.